In this video, I'll be showing you how you edit your profile on ZEPETO. So it's simple and easy. When you launch your account like this, you move to your profile down here, and on here you tap on the edit profile. So I'm going to show you guys how you change your profile picture and everything. So change your profile picture, just tap on the camera there. You can choose to take a picture, or you can just choose from gallery or something like that. So let's try to choose anything, and then you do that, and then you can change your name on ZEPETO. Yeah, so you can choose to a name of your choice. So let's make it our channel name, Brother, something like this, and let's do it something like this. And now you can change your username too as well. You can change it, I think, once in a while, and your job, you can add all these things are not really important, but you can add that. You can add a bio too as well, and on your profile you can show active clubs you join on ZEPETO. If you don't want to show them, you can turn that off. After that, you just tap on the done and you are good to go. Simple and easy. And also you can also change your cover by tapping on that here, and on this section you edit your avatar and everything. You can see gestures and everything. I have a full video on how you can edit everything on your avatar. You can see I updated it 1 hour ago. It's simple and easy to do that. So that's it on how you edit your profile on ZEPETO. Simple and easy. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.